Namaskar, this is Tanu Kashyap. I am Director General NIFT. And at the third edition of the Bharat Techs, I think it is a proud moment for NIFT to be part of Bharat Techs as the knowledge partner. Because it is the third year, it has been easier for us. We know the drill, we know what to do. But given the context of Bharat Techs this year, NIFT had presented 6 of its knowledge sessions and master classes. Very interesting ones. One is on the Pantone color psychology, because color is, one of the mainstays of the textile industry. The second has been, and I think the the highlight for the NIFT session has been the session on Vision Next, which was chaired by the Union Minister Shri Giriraj Singh Ji in the morning today. That was basically the releasing of the Vision Next trend book for this year, which caters to the international market. And interestingly, very, very proudly, it has been done in 3 languages this time: Hindi, English and French, and called Eternite Kalpa, taking from the timelessness of fashion, textile and traditions of India. Another thing that has been the highlight for us has been the Pitch Fest, which was a Shark Tank kind of an event for the students of NIFT. Some 13 students of various campuses of NIFT actually presented their idea to the venture capitalists, and interestingly, I'm told that one of them has been picked up by one of the angel investors to actually invest money with the seed fund. I think that is the beauty of an event, and event like this, a platform like this, because it brings together the whole ecosystem under one roof, and it reduces the gap that might be there. So NIFT, being an academic institution, sometimes feels that it's just a silo, but what we make are the future textile economists, textile designers, the people who are working in the whole sector. And when they see this whole bonhomie of each of the verticals in that sector, and when the other verticals get to see what NIFT does, I think that's a win-win for all. So it has been a proud 3 days for all of us here at Bharat Techs. Thank you.
When the mantra is sitting inside, they're saying,
It actually has been quite ecstatic for all of us, because, if I can say a little bit about the Vision Next exercise, that, the initiative that has been done, it's an in-house, homegrown AI-based trend forecasting platform. And what we did today was releasing the trend book, the third year in the row, which is speaking about India to the world. And I am very happy because, it gets the support of Mantri ji all the time. He speaks so fondly about Vision Next and the students of NIFT that it gives us much more vigor and much more, energy to keep working and keep bridging any gaps that are there in this whole sector. So I think I'm very proud of my team.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.